You've heard it a million times, an elephant never forgets. But is it actually true, or just another myth passed down through the ages? Let's start with the basics. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal. We're talking over 10 pounds of raw brainpower. And the part of the brain responsible for memory and emotions. It's incredibly well developed. So yes, elephants do have exceptional memories. They can remember the location of waterholes, recognize individual humans, and even recall other elephants they haven't seen in years. In the wild, memory can mean survival. Matriarch elephants, the wise old leaders of the herd, remember migratory paths and danger zones. In times of drought, their memory leads the group to water sources that haven't been used in decades. In one study, 2 elephant families were reunited after over 20 years and they instantly recognized each other, trumpeting with excitement. So, do elephants never forget? Not exactly. Just like humans, elephants can forget things over time, especially if they're not emotionally significant or regularly reinforced. And yes, older elephants can experience memory decline, just like us. But what they do remember are the bonds, the traumas, the paths they carry those memories for a lifetime. Some rescued elephants have shown signs of PTSD, remembering abuse or violence from decades earlier. So while the phrase, "an elephant never forgets," might not be 100% scientifically accurate, but there's a deep truth behind it. Elephants have some of the most powerful memories in the animal kingdom, and that's not just poetic, it's proven. Want more animal myth busting and wild wonders? Hit that subscribe button and let's journey through the nature together.